What's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to reload, restore or recover your Steam Cloud game saved files if your game processing is missing or overwritten. So let's just get started. So before we start, you need to understand that you do not need to open the game repeatedly, and Steam Cloud only works if it was enabled before. So you may follow this method. So if you have opened up Steam, this one right here, you need to close it off completely, and then you need to wait for a certain times, and then you can reopen the Steam and go to the library right here. Select library, and that should open up your library right here, and right click on your game and go to their properties. After you go to their properties, you can go to the general section right there, and within general you can look out for the option of Steam Cloud. Here, once you fully download the application, you should be finding it up. You just need to toggle that option off and restart your Steam, and then come back here and on, and then turn back the Steam Cloud back on again, and you can launch the game. Steam will prompt to choose between local or the cloud save. You can save with the latest timestamp. Apart from that, you can just go over and restore from your Steam Cloud website as well sometimes. You may close this up and go to their website. You can head over to your browser and go to the your Steam Cloud website. And there, once you find your Steam Cloud, you usually need to log in. You can go over and log in into your account, and there just go over and find your game and download the saved files manually. That should also work out for you. Apart from that, you can replace the local saves. For that, press Windows plus R and type in %. And once you do so, you need to hit enter, and you just need to go ahead and find your Steam files here. And once you find your Steam files here, you can replace the old ones with the new ones, and that should also probably work out for you. And apart from that, you can just go and fix your Cloud Sync errors. Usually for that, you need to go to your Steam and go to the Steam option at the very top and go to your settings. And within your settings, you can go over, look out for cloud option. And within cloud, you can just go over and make sure this option is turned on, the Steam Cloud option, and then you can just go over and work it out. And that's how you can reload or recover your Steam Cloud saves. So if this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more fixes, comment below, and we'll help you step by step. See you in the next video.